3, 2, 1, watch me. Level up, 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 level up.
Hey DBRIGHT Squad, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, today I am filming DIY off the shoulder crop top. And I'm so excited to show you guys because it's so easy, no sew, super quick. So let's get right into it. Okay, so for this DIY you will need a simple tight fitted shirt. So this is a striped shirt. Striped shirts are so much easier with doing this style that I'm about to do. So if you do have a striped shirt that's tight, well fitted on your body, try to use this. So this is how mine looks like, just small like that. A ruler, scissors, and a pen. So let's get right into it. Okay, so step one, you're just gonna put it against you, and then you're gonna use a pen. If you have a striped shirt, it's a little bit easier. Just pick which line. I'm gonna pick this line right here. Okay, so first step is just we're gonna make some markings to where we're gonna cut. Okay, so like I said, if you have a striped shirt, it makes it so much easier. So you're just gonna go to where you put your mark for where you wanted to cut your crop top. For me, I wanted it a little bit lower. You guys can't really see my mark, but my mark is around right there because I want it to be cropped but not too short. So I'm actually gonna add one more line. So like I said, if you have a striped shirt, it's much easier. So the line I'm gonna be cutting is gonna be this line right here. I'm just gonna put my finger there like that, and then I'm gonna take my scissors and I'm just gonna cut. There we go. Okay, so there we go. We have our crop top. So it's a little bit easier to work from here now. It's very simple, guys. Literally, it's gonna take like literally one step. So if you have a striped shirt, so what I want you to do, is find that line that's closest to this neckline, right? And then see what it's connected to. You see how these lines right here are connected? And that's literally the cut that I'll be doing, just like that. But if you don't have a striped shirt, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna measure at least an inch. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, at least an inch below the neckline. Okay, that's the line that you will be cutting across. And then to know how much to cut for the sleeve, that's about 2 inches. Okay, from the side to the end over here, and then a line going across the chest, and then another line going up the strap. And we'll be cutting at the top of the black stripe, so above it. Okay, so this is a very crucial part because it has to be cut as straight as you can. So let's make sure it's the right line again. Okay. Okay, voila. So you're just gonna take that piece out, and this should be what you're left with. Super cute. Looks just like that. So perfect for the summer. Very, very cute.